Okay, I have started writing a program loop break BK, and implicit none, which is to emphasize strong typing. Definition of variables would be explicit, and end program loop break. These are these three statements in my program so far. So that is to demonstrate when a condition is satisfied. So how to get out of a loop, how to stop the calculations which are being carried out in the program. Let me define integers I and n, and write do say 10. Varies from 1 to 50, right? So in the loop, these values would be available. So now let's compute a value equal to I squared. So I times I, right? And now I would write here print the value of I and the value of n, right? Which is squared, which is I squared, right? Now a statement. If I write here the statement say 10, that is the structure. So it will write the value of I and value of n just to make a label for I and n. Let me write a statement I, and I would write here n. So these are going to be the labels. These are just for label. Let's save the program. Fortran file, it is loop break dot for. So let's see only this part, execution of this part. So I would write compile the program loop break dot for -o loop break dot exe. So it has been rightfully compiled, and let's see how it works. Loop break. So squares have been computed, right? But now let's stop the execution of the loop at some point, say at 1000. If the value is greater than 1000, then stop, right? So over here, I will add a statement. So if n is greater than, if n is greater than 1000, then I would write go to 100. So that is to exit the loop. And over here, I will have 100 here, print statement, right? That's it, right? So I have used a decision statement, if. So it means there can be other if structures as well, right? Now again, compile the program and run it, and that will conclude this session. So compile the program and run it. So see, the squares have been computed till the value is less than 1000, right?